Is your little one around 6 months of age and they have been experiencing disrupted sleep? Today I'm going to share what exactly is going on at this age, signs of the 6-month-old sleep regression, and 3 tips to positively impact your baby's sleep. Also, be sure to stay until the end of this video to know how to access our free PDF download covering all sleep regressions for the first 2 years to help you tackle any sleep challenges for your child. Hi there, I'm Kat, a paediatric sleep consultant from Baby Sleep Team, and I'm here to give you all my best tips to get your baby or toddler sleeping well. So let's get started. Now, what exactly is a sleep regression? A sleep regression occurs when a baby who was sleeping well or relatively well suddenly starts having sleep issues. These regressions commonly occur when your little one is going through a developmental milestone, and in the first 1 to 2 years there are many. Apart from the 4-month sleep regression, which is a permanent shift in your baby's sleep patterns, the remaining sleep regressions are usually short-lived, lasting only a few weeks. Also, not all babies or toddlers experience these sleep regressions and seemingly breeze through them. So what is going on at 6 months? Actually, quite a lot. They go through a growth spurt. They'll be hungrier and will start solids. This is a common age for teething to start. Your little one may be physically developing the skill of learning how to sit. The sleep association that previously worked to get your little one to sleep when they were younger no longer works, or it becomes harder. Some babies will start showing signs of fighting the 3rd nap and need to transition from 3 naps down to 2 naps. Dream feeds at this age can start to disrupt their sleep. So what are the signs that your little one may be going through the 6-month regression? Frequent night wakes, difficulty falling asleep at bedtime or naps, increased fussiness and crying, or early morning wakes. Has your little one started showing any of these signs? Tell me in the comments below. So you're pretty sure that your little one is going through the 6-month sleep regression. Now what? Here are my top 5 tips. Tip number 1. Prioritize your little one's lunchtime nap to be in a conducive sleep environment, whether that be at home or at daycare. You want to avoid having the nap on the go in the stroller, the front pack, or the car seat to give your little one the best chance of consolidating their sleep to avoid overtiredness. Tip number 2. Now is a good time to drop the dream feed. If you've been doing a dream feed up until this point, now is a good time to drop it and feed your little one if they wake up hungry during the night. This will help avoid you disrupting their sleep at a time in the evening when they are in their deepest sleep. Tip number 3. Increase calories during the day. If your little one is experiencing a growth spurt, you want to increase the calorie intake during daytime hours versus overnight to help sustain them for overnight sleep. Tip number 4. When starting out on solids for the first 1 to 2 weeks, introduce food during lunchtime and work up to over the following weeks, adding in solids for the evening meal. Your little one's tummy will be getting used to and adapting to consuming food, so avoid lots of solids right before bed. And lastly, tip number 5. If your little one is no longer settling, now could be a good time to consider sleep training to teach them how to self-settle. This is a fantastic age to do this, and many babies at this age can adapt relatively quickly. I hope you find this video helpful and you can try some of these tips out to help your little one sleep. For more information on the other sleep regressions, you can access our free sleep regressions PDF download covering regressions right up until 2 years of age. You can also watch this next video, which provides a great summary of the other sleep regressions to help you understand what may be coming. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.